Before we begin, make sure your gas tank is empty or close to empty. Put it on the center stand and take the side cases off. And let's start by taking the seat off. This is the part number for the new fuel filter. I'll provide the link in the description below. Let's start by taking these two 10 millimeter bolts off behind the gas tank. Next, let's take the three bolts out, which is on the top of the gas tank. Once you remove those, this plate comes off. Now the silver plate is holding the gas tank down. There are two 10 mil bolts and two Allen screws you're going to have to remove. Once you do that, you should be able to just slide the plate towards the front and lift up the gas tank. Next, we're gonna go towards the back of the gas tank. There are two air lines. Simply just pull them back, take them off. Um, After that, we have this main fuel line going into the fuel pump. Uh, you put the screwdriver right in the hole there and pull the orange connector out. Once you pull the orange connector out, you should be able to just pull the line out easily. Next we have, by the way, this is how it looks like. Make sure you put some piece of cloth or something underneath. Some fuel will come out. And next we have these electrical two connectors. Take them apart. Um, and there's nothing really else holding the tank, and then you just take the whole tank out. Next we have the fuel pump assembly, and is held by 6 bolts. These are again 10 mil. Okay, so once you take the 6 bolts off, you should be able to slide the fuel assembly out of the fuel tank. um, Fuel assembly is a 3 parts. You start taking apart by taking the first tear off as shown in this picture. It is held by 2 screws on the side. You take those off, and then the first tear, which is just nothing but the plate, which slides out. Second, you pull out on the second tier of the fuel pump. Um, it will come apart. Make sure to take the black wire and blue wire off before you pull the second tier. And then lastly, third tier of the fuel pump assembly comes out. And once you pull that off, there should be a your old fuel filter should be there. uh, Remove it, put the new one on, just like the existing one, and put it back together. Just reverse the process, and there you have it.